Hi, it's Paul from Hobbylink International again. Another new decal sheet from Iliad Design in 1/48 scale. This one is a Special Ops Skyraiders. It's an updated print of one of their earlier sheets. Okay, so this is another, I'll say new, decal sheet from Iliad Design, 1/48 scale. This is Special Ops Skyraiders. So let's see what we've got inside the bag. So we have one decal sheet, one double-sided sheet of colour paper. I can open it up. Oh boy, there we go. Okay, so this one has an extra design on it from the first printing. As you see here, 48019A, the A tells you it's a reprint. But what Iliad, I think what they've done almost every time they're able to is when they do the reprint, they add another aircraft on and do a few corrections as well. So on this one, you've got 6 designs and things that have changed. I believe it's this insignia has changed, and also the text. I think the text on this one has changed from the first printing, and it's being corrected obviously. So you get, as I said, you get the 6, you get some nice details about the idiosyncrasies of each aircraft, and this time you get some corrections as well. Over the sheet, the standard camouflage schemes for the ones over this sheet. Placement of numbers on the undercarriage doors varies depending on which particular one you're doing. I think this is a pretty unique camouflage scheme, so everything is there. Notice the squiggle before the numbers. It's basically saying these are approximately FS 34095 and so on. So obviously they just used paint that looked about right. So that's pretty neat. And then the decal sheet itself, backing film is, you can't see the backing film except for places where you'd expect to see it to get things lined up, like the numbers and the text. These are for the, you can see here the rudder on one of the aircraft. So obviously the rudder on a 1/48 Skyraiders pretty big. Mind you, the Skyraiders are pretty big sort of aircraft really anyway. Actually, a bit of careful work, you could probably do that with painting masks. I mean, the white and the red is easy enough. You just got to do the scalloped thing for the blue, but that might be an option. All very nice. The colours are good, clear printing, very nice. I'll put a link underneath to Iliad Design's website, so you can get them. Iliad Design's based in Canada, so that's where they are, but I think on their website they have links to distributors in other countries, so you can get from there for cheaper shipping. Many thanks to Iliad Design for sending it along for us to have a look at.